We all move!
My name is Rory Freeman, and I am the co-founder of Move the Initiative. I want to teach kids through movement that they can express themselves and that they can make a difference in the world.
Hi, I'm Caitlin. I've been dancing for 8 years. This is my 3rd or 4th year at Move, and I really love the way Caitlin and Rory think and how they incorporate all sorts of different styles, and it's just overall like amazing. I just really love it.
I'm Caitlin. I met Rory about 12 years ago. We wanted to be intimate, we wanted it to be small, we wanted to know the kids that we were working with, we wanted them to get to know each other so that they were all comfortable. We are so excited to be here, and we think it's awesome how Move offers all different styles, such as partnering, because we never get to do that at our own studios.
I felt that all the teachers and choreographers made more of an effort to get to know their dancers and help them the best that they can.
And we can't wait to come back next year.